Hello everyone! In today's video, we will be showing you how the metro system works here in Paris. But before that, please subscribe in our channel and click the bell button as well for notifications. Okay, so Paris Metro or Metro de Paris is a rapid transit metro system here in Paris. It is first operated in 1900 and it is also the second busiest metro system here in Europe. Paris Metro has 16 interconnected lines and is also linked to other express trains. Please keep on watching until the end because we will show you how each metro lines look like. So are you ready? Let's go and come with us. Before we go inside the metro station, I would like to show you two things. This is the Navigo Pass and this is the single journey ticket. You can reload the Navigo Pass weekly or monthly and it's already for unlimited use, while the single journey ticket is only for one-time use. We will also show you how to purchase tickets or how to reload the Navigo Pass in the machine. So let's check it out. This is the machine where you can purchase your tickets. As you can see, there are 4 languages where you can choose. Of course, we will choose English. And first, we will try to reload the Navigo Pass. So we will choose now, buy. And then you have an option to choose weekly or monthly. So for example, we will choose weekly. And it's better to choose zones 1 to 5. And then, you just need to press the validate button and you just need to pay, as easy as that. And this time, how to purchase single journey ticket. We will press English and we will press you don't have a Navigo Pass, and then we will choose Ticket C Plus so that you can access the metro, tram, bus, everywhere within the Paris city. And then we will choose the full fare, and then you can see here all of the prices of the tickets. And if you will buy 10 pieces, you will be having a discount for around 2 or 3 euros. So for example, we will press 1. It costs €1.90. And we will just need to validate it, and we'll just need to pay it, and that's it. As easy as that. We are here at the Louvre Rivoli station here in line 1. It was opened in 1900 and starting 1968, this station were decorated with the replicas of ancient art from the Louvre Museum. It is also the first metro station to become culturally decorated. to Blamonet Station in line 7. And as you can see behind me, there is an old set of scale which they used before. And this station also advertises a museum which is located near here, and they call it La Monnaie de Paris, or the Museum of Money. That's why there are a lot of huge coins that can be found all over the station. And here they are! It is the Cluny-la-Sorbonne station here in line 10. It has beautiful and brightly colored mosaic on the ceilings. And the most important piece is what they call les oiseaux, or the bird in English. It is designed by Jean Bazin. And also you can find a lot of names of important French people who lived in this area. Take a look! This is Arze-Metier station, which is part of line 11. And this station was first operated in 1904 and was redecorated in 1994 to mark the 200th anniversary of the creation of the National Conservatory of Arts and Crafts. The redecoration gave this metro station an illusion of a submarine, and it was designed by a Belgian comic book artist. Check this out! This is the Concorde station in line 12, and this station is very unique. It looks like a huge word search puzzle. It was designed by François Chen and it was put in place in 1989. That was 200 years after the French Revolution. And it's very hard to find out what is written in the wall, but it spells out the Declaration of the Rights of Man that is a very important text linked to the revolution. Once again, this is the Concorde station. Station in line 13. It was originally named as Berlin and it was changed to Liège during the World War I. Liège is a city in Belgium, and this station was chosen to change its name to pay tribute to all of the men who fought before during that war. And in 1982, there are two artists who redecorated this station and produced a stunning ceramic tiling that show most beautiful places in their province. So that ceramic tiling are those on the other walls. We are here at the Varennes station, still here in line 13. And as you can see, there is a big sculpture behind me. Do you know what sculpture is it? It is the replica of one of the most famous sculptures in the world. It is named the Thinker, or in French, Le Penseur. In this station, you can see a replica of works in the nearby Rodin Museum. Rodin or Rodin is considered by many to be the father of the modern sculpture. Once again, here it is, the Varennes station. Shortest metro stations of all the 16 lines because it only serves 4 stations. These are all the metro stations here in Paris, and these are the most widely used transportation here. In our future videos, we will be also showing you the other modes of transportation such as the bigger trains, buses, and tramways. Kindly give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and we hope that you'll come with us on our next journey. Thanks for watching! À bientôt!